Hello guys, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So today I am trying glass painting, a Navratri special video, going to paint on glass using acrylic paints. So without wasting any moment, let's get started with our today's video. So for this, at very first, let's draw the sketch of Maa Durga. So this is what I'm planning to paint on glass. After your drawing is ready, keep the glass on the drawing sheet and using a black acrylic paint, trace the same on the glass. Navratri is coming and I wanted to make a video related to that theme. So I came up with this idea of painting Lord Durga's face on glass. Will I succeed? Well, watch it till the end and find it out on your own. The process is going to be completely opposite. Matlab, see, for our regular paintings, we first used to apply the base color and then add details and outlines, right? But for this, we first have to outline it, add the details and at last fill the base color. Cool, right? I felt this challenging for me cause paintbrush फिसल रहा है यार glass पे. But slowly and steadily we will try creating a masterpiece. So as mentioned earlier, after outlining, I'll add the shadows and highlights first using white and darker shades and then धीरे धीरे मैं base colors apply कर दूंगी. Make sure you don't add a lot of water in the paint cause then paint won't remain on the glass. So make sure your paint is having a thick consistency. So slowly and steadily following the same process, I'll keep adding colors. Navratri is one of the most revered Hindu festivals observed in honor of Goddess Durga. It spans over 9 nights and 10 days. Celebrations in Navratri include worshipping 9 goddesses during 9 days, stage decorations, recital of legend, enacting of story, chanting of scriptures of Hinduism, and the public celebration of classical and folk dances of Hindu culture. Sounds wondrous, right? Okay, so coming back, so this is how a completed glass painting looks from behind. And now flipping it over, ta-da! The front and final outcome. Isn't it beautiful? Do like and share my video and comment down below, did you love my today's artwork or not? Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye and take care.